Vakilsearch.com. Legal is now simple. This video is going to focus on privacy policy. A privacy policy is a disclosure statement or a legal document that contains some or all of the ways a party or a company gathers, uses, discloses, and manages a customer or client's data. You are required to disclose the following information by law in a privacy policy. In this document, you tell the users that you collect certain information about them, what kind of information you collect, how this information is collected, whether directly when they have to sign up or indirectly through cookies, history, etc. How you use this information to contact them for new updates, etc. What information is stored and how you store this information, when and why their information will be shared. The advantages of having a privacy policy is, a privacy policy is a disclosure document. Its purpose is to inform and protect the consumers. It informs the consumers on how to use their information. It can help you put your visitors' minds at ease and help to ensure that your website sees more traffic and more repeat business. The process of getting a privacy policy with Vakilsearch is very simple. Step 1. Our expert lawyers will get in touch to understand your requirement in detail. Step 2. Basic information would be required from your end to commence the process. Step 3. Once all the information is provided and the payment is received, our lawyers will start working on your document. Step 4. You will receive the first draft of your watertight legal document within 4 working days approximately. Step 5. You can review the document and get back to our team in case of any changes. Our experts will work with you till the draft is finalized to your complete satisfaction. Our professional charges for drafting a privacy policy will be Rs 799 plus service tax. The charges may vary in case there is a need for customized privacy policy. Lastly, the big question, why Vakilsearch? Here is why. We are pioneers in legal document preparation. We are a large team of 200 plus experts. We are 70% cheaper than any comparable lawyer in your city. One-point service solution for lawyer, chartered accountant and corporate secretary. All documents are prepared promptly. We meet strict deadlines and quality is our top priority. And of course, our 1,20,000 happy partners and clients speak for us. To name a few, CII, Taxi for Sure, Housing.com, the list goes on and on. Thank you.